Hello students, welcome to SOURAV Sir's classes. The question is, if A, B, C and D are integers such that A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 30, then the minimum value of A minus B squared plus A minus C squared plus A minus D squared is equal to. So the minimum value of this would be possible when each bracket has the least possible value. So let A equals 8, B equals 8, C equal to 7 and D equal to 7. Then the summation gives us 30, so it satisfies this criteria, and thus the minimum value would be 8 minus 8 squared plus 8 minus 7 squared plus 8 minus 7 squared, that is 0 plus 1 equals to 2. So the minimum value of this expression is 2. The next question is, let A be C, D, E, F, G, H and J, K be 5 diameters of a circle with center at O. So O is the center. In how many ways can 3 points be chosen out of A, B, C up to J and O so as to form a triangle? Now, if O is not selected, when O is not selected, so the number of triangles can be 10C3, that is equal to 10 factorial by 3 factorial into 7 factorial, which is equal to 120. Now if O is selected, then the other 2 points are 10 into 8 by 2, that is equal to 40. So the number of triangles is 120 plus 40, that is equal to 160. The next question is, the shortest distance of the point half comma 1 from the curve y is equal to mod x minus 1 plus mod x plus 1 is. So let us draw the curve. So this is our x-axis and this is our y-axis. This is the origin. 1, 2, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, and in this way. So the least value of y can be 2. So this point is 0, 2, this point, and the point given to us is half comma 1, so it lies somewhere over here, half comma 1. Then the shortest distance would be the perpendicular distance from this point to the line, so it is 1. It is option A.